Hi, welcome to Adobe Video on Demand covering how to set up directories and domains in the admin console. In this session, we'll be covering the following: set up a directory, create a directory, set up domains, link domains to directory, directory trusting, remove directories and domains. To use enterprise or federated IDs, start by setting up a directory to which you can link one or more domains. To set up a directory, create a directory in the admin console. For federated ID only, Adobe will provision the directory. This usually takes up to 48 hours. If you set up your organization for enterprise IDs, you can start linking your email domains to your directory. For federated ID only, after Adobe has provisioned your directory, configure your SAML settings. To create a directory, sign into the admin console and navigate to Settings Identity. Navigate to Directories tab, then click Create Directory. In the Create Directory screen, enter a name. Choose Federated or Enterprise ID and click Create Directory. Your directory is now created. If you have chosen to create Enterprise ID, you're done. Go ahead and set up your domains in the admin console. If you have chosen to create federated IDs, Adobe will need to provision this directory before you can proceed with any more operations on it. However, you do not need to wait around while Adobe provisions the directory. You can go ahead and set up your domains in the admin console. Your end users are authenticated against domains that you need to set up in the admin console. To set up domains, add domains in the admin console. Prepare to validate domain ownership by adding a special DNS record. Validate the domains. Note, you can use single DNS tokens to validate all domains. See Get DNS Token for the syntax to copy the text entry into your domain's DNS. The domains that you've added to the admin console do not need to be registered with the same IDP. However, when you link these domains to a directory, you'll need to link domains from different IDPs to different directories. You cannot add a domain to an admin console if it's already been added to another organization's admin console. You can, however, request access to that domain. Sign into the admin console and navigate to Settings Identity. In the Domains tab, click Add Domains. In the Enter Domain screen, enter a list of up to 15 domains and click Add Domains. In the Add Domain screen, verify that the list of domains and click Add Domains. Your domains are now added to the admin console. However, you still have to demonstrate ownership of these domains. After you set up your directories and domains in the admin console, you need to link the domains to the directories. You can link multiple domains to the same directory. However, all the domains that you link to a single directory must share identical SSO settings. Please note, you cannot link the same domain to multiple directories. Also, currently, if you need to remove the linking between a domain and directory, contact Adobe support. So plan your domain to directory linking before you start the following procedures. Sign in the admin console and navigate to Settings Identity. Go to the Domains tab. Click the checkbox to the left of the domain name and click Link to Directory. If you want to link multiple domains to the same directory, multi-select the checkboxes for these domains. In the Link to the Directory screen, choose a directory from the drop-down and click Link. The ownership of a domain can only be claimed by a single organization, so consider the following scenario. A company, Geometrics, has multiple departments, each of which has its own unique admin console. Also, each department wants to use federated user IDs, all using the geometric.com domain. In this case, the system administrator for each of these departments would want to claim the domain for authentication. The admin console prevents a domain from being added to more than one different organization's admin console. However, once added by a single department, other departments can request access to the directory to which the domain is linked on behalf of the organization's admin console. Directory trusting allows a directory owner to trust other system admins, called trustees. After this, trustees organizations in the admin console can add users to any domains within the trusted directory. To summarize, if you plan to use enterprise or federated IDs on your admin console, you must add the domain associated with your organization. If this domain was previously added by another organization, you have to request access to the directory containing that domain as a trustee. To request access to a directory, revert to the Add Domains step mentioned earlier in this video. You can remove directory and domains from the admin console that are no longer in use. Please note you cannot remove a directory that has active users, linked domains, and trustees. To remove a directory, sign in the admin console and navigate to Settings Identity. Go to the Directories tab. Click on the checkbox to the left of one or more directory names and click Delete. In the Remove Directory screen, click Remove. To remove domains, sign into the admin console and navigate to Settings Identities. Go to the Domain tab. Click the checkbox to the left of one or more domain names and click Delete. In the Remove Domain screen, click Remove. Please note, you cannot remove domains if there are any users within the domain in the admin console or if the domain is linked to one or more directories. We hope this helps you in being familiar with features and tools within this section. Thank you for watching this quick session on setting up directories and domains within the admin console.